What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Second Take, where I talk tech and I speak sports. Today's topic of the day is the TopVision starter for cars. This is a jump starter and a power pack.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, the TopVision jump starter. This is a jump starter for your vehicle. Just go over the specs really quick. Now, the battery on this is 21,800 milliamps. It is a portable power pack with a USB quick charge 3.0. So it's very fast when you're actually trying to charge the jump starter. Keep this in your car. In the event of emergency where you need a jump or you need to give somebody a jump, you're ready to go and you're not out of commission or out of service and you can get on with your daily duties. Now, what engines can it charge? It can actually charge up to a 7.0 liter gas or 6.5 liter diesel engine. It's a 12 volt portable auto battery booster. So some of the functions it has on it: has jump start, has an LED display, has a power button, has an output port, a flashlight, an input port. It's compatible with all USB devices. It charges efficiently according to device capacity. So if you got a different engine, your engine's gonna get one charge. If somebody else has a different engine from you, they're gonna get a different output of energy from them. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna open this up really quick. I'm gonna take this off and then I'm gonna kind of move this to the side and we'll see what's inside. The boxing is very simple. Okay, so that's what you get. Really nice packaging. I'm actually impressed and surprised. This is really nice. So a little carrying case, you can actually carry this. It actually supports it, it's sturdy. You can hear that, always do the hearing test. Got all your email and your phone number in case you have questions while you're using this. You can call TopVision. But let's see what's inside. Okay, looks like you got a bunch of books. That's a note. It's telling you to activate your warranty within 24 months by scan or QR code. You can email them. So that's pretty cool. You get to activate a warranty with these guys. Got your books here. Looks like a user's manual. Not gonna really go through this. I'll probably go through this later. Throw that to the side. Okay, here's your jumper cables. Now, keep in mind, these don't need to be long like traditional ones because your power source is here. Your power source is here. It's not an actual car you need, so you're gonna plug this in and just jump your car right from the battery. That's your cables. And there's your USB. You got a USB type A to USB type C. And then this is the star of the show, right? The battery, the TopVision. So you got a power button here. Let's turn that on. And we're gonna go over really quickly what's on the actual model. You got a power button here. You got an LED display right here showing you the voltage, the output right now, 82%. That's actually the battery charge. It's 82% charged, so that's good outside of the box. You have the DC output there. You have an input. It's a 5 volt 3A. On the front you have a flashlight. You have an output 1 and output 2. This is looking like the jump start. That's what you're gonna push to actually get the start to show the power throughout the battery. On the other side you got nothing. On the bottom you got nothing. It's telling you to activate your warranty again. On the other side you got nothing. So very kind of simple machine here. I don't know if I can do a test with this because I'd have to find somebody on the side of the road that is looking for a jump. If I do, I'll actually record that. But this is actually less than $100. It's $79.99 on Amazon right now. I actually purchased this for $57 on Amazon when they had a sale the other day. So I'll put a link in the description if anybody wants this. But this gets great reviews. It's got over 10,000 reviews, and no one seems to have an issue with this jump pack starter. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you on the next one.